It's sort of like a canvas, and you're an artist, and you can have the paints, and then you can say, I can paint absolutely anything that I want to. It does take quite a bit of experience and background knowledge to be able to print things out exactly how you want them, and it's almost has its own set of engineering criteria that you need to adhere to. But the thing is that, especially in recent years, 3D printing has evolved so much that a lot of that front-end knowledge and work has been eliminated, because the software and the hardware come together to be a lot more user-friendly between the interfaces and the design constraints that have just been obliterated by the evolving technology. So I would say that someone that just has an idea and wants to get it made, that's what we do. We are the bridge between that. But the thing that makes it possible to get you something in your hands with as little work and time as possible is absolutely the 3D printing technology. If you look back at where this technology was 10 years ago, it's really gone the way of the computer, where it used to be these machines that were just gigantic and prohibitively expensive. And those machines are still around and still used by a lot of people, and they still have their applications. But generally speaking, what 3D printing means to the industry now is a fast and relatively inexpensive way to prototype things. So it's known openly as rapid prototyping in this industry, and that's because it really opens up the doors for innovation and trying things that are otherwise prohibited by molding costs and timing and things like that. So I generally on injection molded, blow molded parts, things like that, the best way to prototype those now is through 3D printing. The alternative is creating test molds for engineering parts that you don't quite know will work up front, and or you need a better sense of scale or ergonomic testing. And it's a really great way to take your actual 3D model that you know it will be tooled up exactly like that, and then you print it out and you have it ready to go before you invest the money in the tooling. So on any product that's plastic based or metal, ceramic, anything that's cast or injection molded or anything like that, I try to do 3D printing for that up front, so that you have a looks like, feels like, works like prototype in your hand before you invest in any tooling.